blessed everybody over on the screen. Before we even start the video, we can't miss our Bible verse. So the Bible verse what we have for today is Ecclesiastes 11, verse 6. So it says, sow your seeds in the morning, and at evening let your hands not be idle. For you do not know which will succeed, whether this or that, or whether both will do equally well. Alright, so what do I think from this Bible verse? What I think from this Bible verse is, bro, at the end of the day, you should always be working, regardless of what time of the day. As long as the sun up, you should always be working. You shouldn't be having no Netflix breaks, even if you have like a little break where you chillax and you relax with your family. But you should consistently be working. And I see a lot of people like complain that they don't have enough time in a day to do the things that they want. Bro, we on our phones all day, bro. That there is procrastination. That there is you ain't working, like you ain't staying consistent, bro. And even in business, if you generally stay consistent in business and you stay working and you invest into this and you invest into that and invest in that, and the Bible literally says that you don't know which one will succeed. The one that you want to succeed might fail, and the one you have the least faith in might be the biggest one. You see what I'm saying? Or all might do good, and that might be 4 incomes or 3 incomes. See what I'm saying? So before we even go again, let me read the Bible verse again, yo, so y'all can understand it. So it says, sow your seed in the morning, and at even let your hands not be idle. For you do not know which will succeed, whether this or that, or whether both will do equally well. So proper thing, dog. And at the end of the day, bro, don't forget God. No matter how much money in the world, nothing matters without God. So they say, God bless everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alright, so bless everybody, open all great. Before we even start the video, like I just grab some tea. I get my psychology of money book. I just watching some flowers that we just end up buying. And I buy the flowers mainly just because they teach me about life, dog. Like the first time I buy the flowers, the first week, the flowers end up, I thought it was dying. But it wasn't dying, it was like no flowers is growing. I didn't even know that about flowers, and I was like, damn, that remind me of life. Like before we even reach a new part of our life, a part of us have to die just for the new one to come. Before one door open, the next one have to close. So they say, but that ain't, I don't get too much in that. But with scaling in inside the forex trading market, one thing you have to always ask yourself, bro, is why are you generally scaling in? Are you scaling in just because you want to, or are you scaling in because you see the market giving you an opportunity to scale inside the market? Are you scaling in because you want to make more money? Or are you scaling in because price, like the market is giving you the opportunity, bro? And that is what I see a lot of people make mistakes on, because a lot of people generally just want to scale in and scale in and be like, yo, okay, risking 1%, risking 2%, but I want to scale in again. No, that ain't the way you're supposed to go about the market. You're supposed to go about the market as price showing you opportunities to do something. You shouldn't be trying to create your own opportunities. At the end of the day, all the rules still apply. Like when you're going with the trend of the market, you don't try to create your own wave by forcing the market to go one way, because you will absolutely make zero progress. No, if you see market going one way, you would go with that way. If you see market giving you an opportunity to scale in, scale in. If you don't see it, do not scale in, yo. And at the end of the day, one of the biggest things I would tell everybody to do is to generally start to journal. Why journal? Is because that would be the biggest life-changing event. Because at the end of the day, you're a forex trader. You have no boss, yo. You have nobody above yourself. The only person who can tell you what to do is you. Like the only person who could ever tell you what to do is you, yo. And because the only person who can tell you what to do is you have to learn ways how to do it. For me, the best way I started to do was journaling. Why? Because let's say if on Tuesday I be like, yo, I'm gonna do something, and it's Monday and I know Tuesday coming, and I still even like I even forget I made that promise to myself on Sunday, and Tuesday come and I completely forgot about it. But let's say if I did journal it, yo, every day looking at the journal until Tuesday. So I have something there to remind myself that, yo, this here is the promise that I made to myself. Even with your trading plan, journal, yo. So you're saying, but what I'm gonna do is just start the video, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, journal. So as we even go through this video, yo, journal. Alright, so before we even start the whole video about skill inside the forex trade market, I see now that we have news coming out at 9 a.m. Well, 10 a.m. It just came out, and we have another news coming out at 11. I already entered the trade price and I'm going to a drawdown, but I didn't forget that we had a wedding to go to, dog, so I can't make the video right now. But so this video can turn into a day in the life, just because I didn't forget that we had a wedding to go to. Check out the shirt. Well, but dang, she saw the dog. but it just can keep you guys updated during the day as well. I know where we going. You might just come straight back home. You might head to Bahama, you might head to the casinos, might head wherever, dog. Say so, but then just keep you guys updated. Finishing up the video, but I just had to record this stuff. This view is different. Alright, so blessed everybody, open all this great. What we're going to talk about today is scaling inside the forex trading market. Now, I know a lot of you guys may not even know what is scaling inside the market. All scaling is basically you adding on a position. Like, let's say if you in a trade and you up 2,000 and you want to add the next position, there's a right way to scaling and there's a wrong way to scaling. But we're going to talk about today is how to do it the right way. See what I'm saying? Now let's open the charts real quick. Now, so let's say if we're looking at this market now, right? Clean. So we can draw up, we can do the lines, and then we can look at the charts, because I want you guys to be able to visualize it. Because all scaling is visualizing the direction price going. Is price going to continue going where you're predicting that price is going? See what I'm saying? So let's say a price in a downtrend, price in a break past your support area. And the moment price break past your support, price give you your entry point by consolidating, and you enter this market here, right? So let's enter. Boom. Stop loss right above the last low. Take profit all the way down here, right? Full. Now let's say if during the day or during the week, price continues to the downside, and you're like, yo, I want to add onto this trade. Like, bro, this trade so good that I want to add on the next position. Now, the silliest thing you would be able to do right now is just put a sell position at any point, bro. That wouldn't make any sense. Why? Because for one, like, you have to ask yourself these questions. Where would your stop loss go? You see what I'm saying? Now, check it out. Let's say if you did enter this market here, where would your stop loss generally go, bro? Like, that is a question you ask. Do you put your stop loss at break even? And if you put your stop loss at, and let's say if you put this trade also at break even, right? How do you know that price won't reverse, hit your stop loss, and then continue to the upside? Like, those are the questions you must ask yourself, bro. And that's why you have to be patient. You have to be patient or just wait for market to structure to form. Like we said in the previous video, trading is like a picture game. Like, let's say if I draw a circle, right? And the moment I draw a circle, I'd be like, yo, what am I drawing? Like, and you said a boat. And I'd be like, no, bro, take your time, bro. And I draw some circles in the circle. And you'd be like, bro, what am I drawing? And you play like a playground. And I'd be like, no, bro. And I draw the pizza slices. And I ask you, after they completed the pizza drawing, I'd be like, bro, what am I drawing now? And you said, a pizza. And they'd be like, yeah, but why wasn't you patient enough just to wait for me to give you the correct answer? Wait for market to be so clear that it gives you and it forces you to enter. So they're saying, because it's better to be patient. And let's say if you be patient and you place your trade, bro, you would have way more confidence in your trade than you just randomly placing a million trades a week. See what I'm saying? But let's check with this market. So let's say if price starts to make a lower low, right? The right way to do it is just wait for market structure to form. And what do I mean by wait for market structure to form? All you're waiting for now is price to create now a lower high. Go on the 30-minute time frame. Like, you would go on the 30-minute time frame, and on the 30-minute time frame, price would start to consolidate. You see what I'm saying? But let me do this just a little bit better, just so you guys can see it. So let's zoom in. So let's say on the 4-hour time frame, price would just create a lower high, right? But on the 30-minute time frame, price would go up like this, making its way back up. Now, because you now in the 30-minute time frame, all you're generally waiting for is for price to give you your entry signal to now scale in, because you're telling yourself that, bro, this is a good trade. Like this is an A+ trade, and they want to add on a new position. So let's say if you do add on a new position, all you're now waiting for is for price to now break below these last lows. So all you're waiting for now is for price to now break below these last lows again. Let's draw it. Boom. So the moment price now breaks below this last low, what you would now do is your first previous trade is now bring these stops to break even. Add your new position. And with this now stop loss, what you would now do is bring this trade back to where your original trade entry point was. You see what I'm saying? And you do this continuously, bro. So you get into a trade and you get skill into a trade 5, 6, 7 times, as much as you want. But it's rules that you must follow. You can't just enter the market whenever you want. You must be patient. You must wait for market to give you your entry signal. You can't just enter off strictly emotions, bro. And that's just the way it is. See what I'm saying? Now, let's say if price keeps going, right? And price starts to make its way back down again, and price makes a next lower high, and price now is now making a now lower low. What you would now do is add on a new position once again. And once you add on this new position, you bring this here to now break even, and this original trade you would now bring the stop loss here in profit. And with this now new trade, you bring this here by your second trade entry point. Study profit the same place, and bro, all you just now keep doing is just adding on new positions, So let's say if you was originally risking 1% every single trade, bro, you just added 3 trades, bro, and overall all you was risking was 1% the whole entire time, or 1.5 or 2%, however much you guys risk. You see what I'm saying? But you just have to be patient. You have to wait for market to give you that signal. You have to just wait, bro. Wait, be patient, sit on your hands and just be patient. See what I'm saying? Now this me just drawing it with like lines, and you can see this clear as day. But now let's go on the chart real quick. Let's go on the previous chart where I did scale, and I think that was GBP USD what I did today. Oh, where is it? Oh, see you, Joe. Yo, this trade completely pissed me off, dog. Why? Because price hit my stop loss. Bro. And price is continuing to the downside, but I can't trip on it, dog. So you're saying it still was a completely beautiful trade. But let's go for our first. We ain't even gonna worry about the entry points, because this video today ain't about entry points. This video today is about scaling inside the market. So let's delete these off. Perfect. So let's say if price already at take profit 1, right? And they be like, hey guys, for guys inside Forex University, I'd be like, hey guys, price reached take profit 1. Don't panic, bro. And if you want to, you can bring your stop loss to break even as much as you want. Do what you want with your own trade, bro. Don't allow anybody to tell you what to do with your trade. But let's say for me, I wanted to add on to the trick because I generally could see on the daily time frame that price ain't done. Like price is heading to the downside. You see what I'm saying? Now let's go on the 4 hour. Now what I would be waiting for the scaling is for like what I did again. What I would be waiting for is for price to create market structure, like for here. Once again, price is making lower lows, lower highs, lower low. The moment price ended up breaking past this last height, I know price is now in the uptrend. And once again, price started to make lower lows, and price ended up breaking past this last low. So I know once again that now price is in a downtrend. You see this, huh? Price makes a lower low, lower high. Now price is in a downtrend. Price makes another lower low. What I would now be waiting for is for another lower high in this market. And once price gives me the lower high and gives me my entry signal, so I can enter for another added on position, that's exactly what I would do. See what I'm saying? I hope this is making sense for everybody, yo. And for everybody it doesn't make sense to, yo, leave a comment and let me know how I could break it down. Like, let me know which part of the video was kind of confusing for you, so I could break it down even more for you. See what I'm saying? So let's be patient. Hold on, I go on the do fast just now. Pardon me. Alright, let's park later. So check it. We on the 4 hour time frame. Or if you want to do it on the 2 hour time frame, you could. So you're saying, because at the end of the day, I is a swing trader, so I use the bigger time frames. Let's go do fast, dog. Perfect. That's it, though. Perfect. So the moment price now makes a lower high, what I would now do is go on the 30-minute time frame, because I'd be watching charts on the 30-minute. Let's check it out. Let's say what I would be waiting for. Where would I be waiting for to enter this market? The moment price breaks below this last low here on the 30-minute time frame, that's when I would enter. And what I normally do is call this area my consolidation box. But a consolidation box and you waiting for market structure to break is exactly the same thing. Just everybody have its different name. Now what I can generally do is just wait for price to now break below this last low here, because market created structure again. Wait, be patient. Boom. So the moment price now creates structure, what I would now do is add on my new position. Perfect. What I now do, let's go to the higher time frames. Let's check it out. Let's make sure it makes sense here. You can't just enter just because you want to enter, dog. Let's make sure it just makes sense. What I now do is bring these stop loss to break even. Bring this stop loss now at my original trade entry point. And set and forget, dog. See what I'm saying? Now what I see a lot of people do is they just wait on like the bigger time frames. Like they would just, instead of trying to catch a snipe entry, everybody, like I see a lot of people just wait for price to now break below this last low end. Yeah, but I don't like to do it like that because at the end of the day, it just takes too long for me. Boom. So that there will be my second entry point. Once again, price now makes another lower low. What I would now be waiting for is for price to create market structure again. See what I'm saying? But that's exactly what I mean by, bro, you just have to be patient. You just have to wait for market to give you the entry signal, dog. See what I'm saying? Let's just watch this trade play out. So I could have entered this market once again right here. The moment price now breaks past this last low. But I wouldn't do that just because price generally, it wouldn't make sense placing it because my stop loss would have to be the same place. So for the original trade, for the second trade, I'd be risking 1%. If I did add on a third trade, I'd be now risking 2%. See what I'm saying? But I did do it for my original trade. Like I didn't add on a 1%. I add on like a 0.5%. So overall, this trade, I took 3 trades, but I was risking 1.5% on my account. See what I'm saying? But that is how you scale in the right way, bro. The main thing, if it's anything you take from this video, wait for the market to be so clear that it's impossible for you not to take the trade. You see what I'm saying? Because it's better for you to just be patient and sit on your hands and wait for the perfect opportunity than to be shooting everywhere. See what I'm saying? Like, wait, you have to be a sniper in the market, bro. Because at the end of the day, it's real money you playing with, dog. See what I'm saying? And if it's real money you playing with, take it serious. Be patient. This is business. You ain't no rush. You don't have to compare yourself to anybody. Like, there's nothing in this market that's rushing you. At the end of the day, you're the boss. Nobody can tell you what to do in this market. See what I'm saying? Now with this trade, yo, I can tell you guys exactly what ended up happening. I was up almost down there. I think I was up down there $20,000 in this trade, right? And I watched this trade bleed out and dry out in the front of my face, bro. So I ended up losing like price. I only lost like 1.5% of my account, but I was in good profit. But I didn't close out because I think it was London session, somewhere London session. I went to bed, price was almost at my take profit 3. Right before I woke up before London session, around like 5 o'clock, out of nowhere, one candlestick ended up wiping out all market structure. Or it was 1 or 2 candlesticks on the 4-hour wipe out all of the market structure. So I said, bro, I love the trade. For me to follow my rules, I know I have to just let the trade play out. I ain't in a rush to make a bunch of money. I don't care about making money. I care about just being a good trader. See what I'm saying? So I just let the trade play out, and that's exactly what ended up happening in this market. So let's put this here. I hope this ain't confusing you with all these drawings. And it's exactly what ended up happening. Yo, this big silly wick right here, that was the biggest bullish candle I ever saw, and that happened within like a couple of minutes. The price ended up making its way back down, but I just didn't like it, bro. Like GBP USD, too slow for me. Like this, I ain't traded this currency pair in a while, but it's just too slow. It ain't fast like the currencies what I normally trade. Like GBP USD and Euro USD, all these currency pairs just way too slow for me, dog. See what I'm saying? But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. God bless everybody. Hope you guys have a beautiful day.